I'd like to say I do a decently good job at incorporating my shabby chic girly style throughout my home, and you guys seem to love the rooms that I've been decorating except for one, and that is what I called my dining room in my fully furnished house tour. Because I've been having so much trouble decorating this specific room, I decided to hire one of my favorite interior designers ever. So join me and Michelle in turning this sad dining room into a beautiful French cafe. What? Ah! Hey guys, it's Gabby and
Michelle.
This is my dining room. And if you stay watching the entire video, you're going to see what this was and how it turned into now. There! Hey guys, so I'm currently here in the dining room with my interior designer, Michelle. She owns my favorite shop in Bethlehem, Marché Maison, in the Vintage Market, where I get all my decor. You guys, I have been plugging her in on my Instagram stories, the Vote Villas website, in my vlogs. Whenever I get the chance, I add the little @ Her style is my life. I was a big fan of her style before I bought this house. And fun fact, you wanna know a fun fact? You wanna tell them?
I sold this house to her. This was my listing.
The person who owns my favorite shop in Bethlehem sold me my dream house. I want my dream like lounge area for friends and a gathering area. We moved around everything. Want to do like that whole like ladder A setup with like tables along this beautiful couch.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, I don't know why I got this right. Also, since this is a very girly video, this video is sponsored by Romwe's, and then we're gonna get back into the renovations. A whole order from Romwe just got in, and I'm gonna do a try-on haul for you before we get into today. So here's outfit number 1. I'm so obsessed with jeans that cross over like this, and I'm so happy I finally have a pair that do this. They're so cute. I also really love the flower detailing. I'm obsessed with this top and how it has like a matching cardigan. It comes with a tank top underneath. So I got this sweater that really reminds me of Isabella from the Lizzie McGuire movie, and I love how it looks with these jeans that I was just wearing with the other outfit. So I do have a code, which is 15FANCYGAB, if you guys want to get an additional 15% off your orders. I'm going to be linking these outfits down below if you guys are interested. I'm obsessed with this top. This is somehow giving me Nutcracker vibes. I don't know how. Maybe it's like Toy Soldier vibes. It's definitely giving me holiday vibes. This shabby chic sweater definitely has my heart. I feel like it matches this whole room, and it looks really good with light wash jeans. This is such a cute outfit. I love this. Wow. I'm definitely getting some Barbie Rapunzel vibes in this lavender top. I love the florals on this. I love that it's a bra with like a sheer corset and puff sleeves. This is definitely giving me princess vibes. I'm all here for it. You guys know I love anything princess and girly. So I did a bottom change. I'm wearing dark wash mom jeans and then this plain beautiful brown top. I love how the ruffles look like ruffled along the edge of the sweetheart neckline, and I just love how this top hugs my body. So I like to call these the bra tops, which is like the underwire crop tops, and I love this top so much. It gives me such Christmas vibes. It's velvet, it's hot pink. I love this look, especially with these jeans. I freaking love this outfit because these pants are so comfortable. They're not like jeans. They're literally like workout / yoga pants. I love how they go down to a bell bottom. And then this top, I love how it's like super wintry with like this cream fleece right here. Yeah, it's still sexy. You could like go out in this outfit. Without further ado, time is up. So we moved the round dark wood table to our entertainment room in the downstairs area, and it looks beautiful down there. We also got a vintage rug that we laid out first just to get the vibe and color scheme going so we could pick out a really pretty wall color for the back wall. We wanted a wall to pop, so we chose the color cream fleece. We also wanted to cover up the plaster damage on the ceiling with this textured wallpaper. We don't necessarily want to go into plaster repairs just yet on this home, so we're doing this quick fix that's going to cover up the plaster problems. We also are going to replace these curtains. These curtains are a little sad. We want like Marie Antoinette tea room vibes, so we're getting these cornices custom made by my contractor. Then Michelle stopped at a flea market and picked up these adorable shabby chic chairs that just match the rug perfectly, and she also found these adorable gray tea tables that give that tea room illusion in front of that long vintage couch. Now try to imagine those pillows aren't there because these are not the pillows that we're keeping on this couch, but as you can see, it gives this beautiful girly tea room illusion. We also got a bunch of appliques to put on the back wall / on the cornices above the curtains, very inspired by Amber Schall's castle walls. Michelle drew out a map for the appliques on the back wall and for the cornices. After sticking on the appliques with adhesive, we decided to add some painter's tape to make sure these stencils are nice and intact before going in with paint 4 days later.
Oh my god! What? Ah! It's so cute! Oh my gosh. Bear, do you like it? Do you like it?
He likes the cookies, that's what he likes.
Yes,
Oh
I know.
yeah.
Bear.
And you incorporated our wreath.
I know. I told you I was going to.
Bear.
Yes, isn't it pretty?
Where do you find your stuff?
I mean, I literally I had all of it.
The ceiling goes so good with these.
It does. It does. It does.
It looks like Marie Antoinette's tea room. Like if I had a tea room like
Yeah.
on Main Street, it would look like this.
Yep, me too. So I want to talk to you about the design of this room. And the important thing about the design is this room had to be a multi-purpose room. It's not just a dining room. It needed to be a place that you could lounge, and in this case, what we decided to do was the sofa was actually on a different wall, and we wanted drama. Like we wanted to create when you walk in the room, this is the first wall you see when you walk in, and it's just drama. Like you see this beautiful old style, very Frenchy sofa, and then of course you have these custom pendants that I made for Gabby. These little tables are the key, because the ability to take those tables, they're not super heavy, which was also very important, to be able to take these tables and slide them around to go under the pendants and have an open area living room is a wonderful feature and very versatile. So you have a multi-purpose room and you're not stuck with this big old dining room table in the middle of the room.
Thank you so much. I'm just never gonna leave this room now. Dining room, a living room, a film room, this is everything.
That's so awesome.
Well, thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
We brought the Pinterest boards to life.
Yes, definitely.
Michelle is in Bethlehem, so if you're from the area as well, and you also have this very unique style that I know a lot of you guys in the area do, Michelle is the woman to bring your frilly, girly, romantic dreams to life. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for helping me with everything.
so
You're just so creative. I'm so happy. I can't believe this is my house. And I look forward to working with Michelle again. This
Absolutely.
completely surpassed every expectation I even had of this room.
Oh, that's so
Thank you for bringing my Marie Antoinette dreams to life.
Yay.
And let's cheers to that.
Yes, cheers to Marie.
Happy Gabmas.